Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Wednesday, the 14th of January. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. And, things look relatively dry still. I still am seeing the fact that we're in a drought. And the fact that we're in the drought also means that we're just not seeing any big snow across the area. We've had 1.1 inches of snow so far in January. Typically, up to this point, we would have had close to half a foot. Now, that can be made up in a storm. But the reality is that the pattern's just not conducive. We are going to get colder here as we head for Friday, and then we'll have a little bit of a bump on Saturday before we trend colder again next week. And I think that some of that cold may be centered around Tuesday or Wednesday of next week with temperatures quite a bit below average. And then how long does it last? And are there any storms thereafter? And right now, again, I just don't feel confident for forecasting any snowstorms at all. So today, mostly cloudy, up near 50. Chance for a little sprinkle here this morning. Tonight, maybe a shower late at night, down to the 30s. On Thursday, there might be a shower in the morning, then a rain or a snow shower. Then it clears up. Temperatures will get up near 40, but as cold air advection comes in, that's colder air moving from point A to point B. Point A is to our north. Point B is us. It's going to get colder. Temperatures actually falling back. And by the time we get to Friday morning, it's in the teens. Friday's high only around 31, but the winds will be light. Won't feel that bad. Feel like January. It is January. Mostly sunny on Saturday. Temperatures 41. That's about 5 degrees above average, 41, 42. Sunday, partly sunny. Temperatures in the mid-30s, a little below average. And then, as I said, I think we trend colder. MLK Day right now, mostly sunny. Low 30s should be pretty nice for skiing. Tuesday, partly sunny into the 20s. So that's a colder day. Have a great morning, everybody.